Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to install Docker on your computer very easily. And to do so, just go on Google and search for Docker install Windows, of course. And then here, click on this first link. So install Docker desktop on Windows. Here you should find this page. It's a bit difficult to understand at first, but there is no complicated things really. You just need to click on Docker desktop for Windows x86 64 and then here wait for it to be downloaded. So now once Docker is downloaded, just open the installer file and then go through the basic installation steps. So wait for it to unpack all the files and I'll get you guys when all of this is done. And now guys, as you can see, the installation has been successfully done. So here, I must restart Windows to complete the installation. So just close and restart your computer and you should be good guys. So that's it, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you.